Hey everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back, and I hope you are all doing good. So let's start our DIY today, that is making of these beautiful house shaped wall shelves, and these are made out of cardboard and they are very easy to do. So without any further ado, let's start. So to make these wall shelves, we'll be needing total 9 pieces of cardboard of different dimensions. The dimensions are given on the screen, so you can have a look. Now let's take 4 pieces of cardboard of dimension 26 by 7.5 centimeters, and then using glue gun attach 2 pieces first, then later we'll be sticking other 2 pieces. So once you're done with the sticking part, cover the edges with the masking tape like this. So you need to cover all the edges of the cardboard using masking tape like this. And now take that single piece of cardboard of dimension 26 by 7.5 centimeters and give it a slight cut over the center part like this. Just give it a slight cut so that you will be getting a roof shape like this. And now take the cardboard pieces which we have stick together, divide it into 3 equal portions, apply some hot glue, and then stick the small cardboard pieces of dimensions 10 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. You'll be having total 4 pieces of this, so stick them. So you'll be getting something like this, and then on top of it apply some more hot glue and secure the side portion. And now let's stick the roof part like this. Apply some more hot glue and then carefully stick it over the top. And now to secure all the joints, I'm attaching this masking tape. You need to do this for all the corners and edges and sides. Just you need to stick it like this for the inner portions. So now to make it extra strong, I am taking this POP, water and glue. Just add a little bit of glue to the plaster of Paris and a little bit of water to make a thick paste. So if your paste is too thick, you can add few more drops of water to make it thin. And now carefully apply this paste on the cardboard using a fine brush. First give it a thin coat, let it dry, and then you can go for 2 more coats. Apply it evenly on the cardboard and then let it dry completely, and then you can give it a second coat. You can always wet your fingers to make the surface soft. Don't apply too much of water, just wet your fingers and then you can make the surface soft. So I had applied 3 coats of POP paste and this is how it looks once it gets dried. Now let's start painting it. So for this I am using this yellow color. The shade is given here. You can have a look. I am not applying these colors to the inner portion, just for the, I am using it for the outer part and for the sides. And for the roof, I am applying this maroon color. Now to get that rustic look, I am using this 3D outliner to add more detailing to the house shelves. So you can choose any design of your choice. But to get that rustic look, I had chosen this design. Usually these designs are seen in the rural parts of our India. If you had ever been to villages, you can see these type of designs are painted on the huts. So once you're done with everything, allow it to dry completely and then apply a good coat of varnish to seal your project. On the shelves you can place any small artifacts or any miniatures. In previous video I had made these miniature cooking sets. So I had placed them over these shelves and they look pretty here. And if you missed that video, please check that video. I'll be giving the link in the description box as well. And you guys can also follow me on my Instagram ID, that is saiscraftstudio. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video and please do consider subscribing. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.